Hi guys, hope you are all good. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if you've come across this video, kindly subscribe, support us, and give it a thumbs up. So we are here, we want to do a game. And this game that we are going to do is called Making Funny Sounds. Who will laugh anatolewa nje, mwenye atacheka anatolewa nje. So we are going to make funny sound and see mwenye atawin. So let's do this guys. So we are starting with Liam. So afanye hata kusmile mtu anatolewa nje. So Liam start. Haya. Look at that. Give it to Liam. Until mtu acheke. Liam, you're not doing. We need you around. Anashindwa kuvumilia. Haya, ni Liam. Haya, look at there. I see you laugh. Haya. Wait kidogo. Haya. Bye. Look there. Winnie atafanya tujeke. Haya, let's go. Kakarika! 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 Haya. Haya. Kuna mtu hapa acheki. Kuna mtu acheki. Haya, tutafute sasa yenye sasa itakuchekesha. Come here, stand well. Mo. 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 Hey. Look there. Hey. So I guess we have a tie here. Hakuna mtu anacheka. Let's do this again. Haya. Liam amecheka. Liam amecheka. So guys, as you can see, we've come kuja hapa tuambie watu bye. We've come to the end of the kuna mtu alitoka wa kwanza. Ndio alitoka wa kwanza, alafu Liam. So guys, we come to the end of this game. Kindly thank you for watching us. Thank you for staying there for us and giving these videos a thumbs up. As you give it a thumbs up, you do support us so much because we do get the morale ya kufanya other videos. So guys, until next time, sijani vya tumebaa juu ya baridi. Until next time we say